How does this thing work? Concrete mixer. This is a concrete mixer. It looks like a giant donut, but it's not for making donuts. It's for making concrete. Pour in the ingredients for concrete, which are typically cement, sand, gravel, and water. The machine then mixes them together using a rotating drum and an auger that pushes the mixture out to the sides of the drum. And instead of a knife to cut the ingredients, it uses a powerful auger to mix them together. As the drum rotates, the concrete starts to form into a ball shape. Once it's all mixed together, the concrete is ready to be poured into the foundation or wherever else it needs to go. The cool thing about this machine is that it's self-loading. That means it can load itself with the ingredients for concrete, saving a lot of time and effort. It does this by sucking up the ingredients through a series of pipes and then mixing them together. This machine is a lot like a giant food processor, except instead of making food, it makes concrete. If you want to know more about how concrete is made, stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.